And the inspirational menu for today is this tomato chicken recipe. Absolutely delicious, quick to make, no stress. Welcome Yummy if today is the first time on this channel. So here I have my chicken here, which I have washed neatly. I'll add in some salt, then I'll add in some curry powder. This curry powder doesn't smell like the curry powder I know. Now the next thing is to add in some black pepper. Then I'm going to add in some coriander powder. Then the last thing is to add some masala. I don't know the name. It is so good. It contains, different spices. It tastes like the 5 Chinese spice, but tasting this, it has more spices than the 5 Chinese spice. So I added in a little bit of all-purpose seasoning, and I'm going to cover this and steam this for about 5 minutes. So the 5 minutes is over. I'm going to add in some chopped onions, some chopped garlic. Then I'll add in some pepper. Now since we are doing this buga buga, I'll add in some puree. I'm using this tomato passietta, or I don't know the name. I think it is in Italian language. I'm going to stir this. So you can see I did not add any water to it. Now I'm going to cover this and allow it to cook. So I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You can use any oil, not too much, because the chicken is going to produce some oil, so we don't want a lot of oil in it. Now I'm going to leave this, as I said earlier on, cover it and leave it. So it is like you are steaming the chicken with the tomatoes and everything, understand? Okay. So it's been about 10 minutes now. I'll give it a very quick stir and cover it. This time around, I'm going to leave it till all the water evaporates from it. And also make sure to taste for salt and other seasoning. So at this point, our stew is well cooked, but then I'll add in about half cup of water, give it a stir, and then once again leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes on a very low heat. So the stew has been cooking 10 minutes after I added the water, and this is the last thing I'll add, which is some chopped spring onions. Give it a good stir off my fire and serve yourself. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video is helpful to you. Always remember to do everything in love, and whenever you think food, think Yummy Cash. And don't forget, the best place to eat is where the chef loves to cook. Choose.